Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal in Jamaica. First, navigate to the official PayPal website and click Sign Up. You'll need to decide if you want a personal or business account. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Then, accurately enter your personal information, including your full name, email address, and create a secure password. Finally, check your email for a verification link and click it to activate your new PayPal account. This initial step is crucial for secure access. Next, you'll link your financial instruments. You can connect a valid Jamaican debit or credit card, like a Visa or MasterCard, to your PayPal profile. Alternatively, you may link a local bank account by providing the necessary details such as your bank's name and account number. PayPal will then conduct a small verification transaction, usually a few cents, which you'll need to confirm from your bank statement. This step is vital for both security and enabling transactions. Now, let's talk about sending and receiving money. To send funds, simply click Send and Request, input the recipient's email or phone number, and the desired amount. Receiving money is straightforward. Funds will automatically appear in your PayPal balance when sent to your registered email. Remember, there might be currency conversion fees, often around 3 to 4% if you're dealing with different currencies. PayPal makes these transactions secure and efficient for users in Jamaica. Finally, withdrawing your funds to a Jamaican bank account is simple. From your PayPal balance, select the Transfer Funds option. Choose your previously linked Jamaican bank account as the destination. Enter the exact amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum or maximum limits set by PayPal. Typically, these withdrawals take approximately 3 to 5 business days to process and for the funds to reflect in your local bank account, allowing you to access your earnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.